Here go these monitoring spirits. I'm at a church, a different church parking lot, and here we go with these birds. Monitoring spirits. The second one kind of flew off. Now you just got the one that's right there. They make these weird noises, like these. I've never heard bird noises like this before. Like, my gang stalking was noticed. I never heard no birds make noises like that. It's like just weird. I rebuke you by power and authority of Yahushua HaMashiach, in the name of the Father in heaven, Yahuwah Elohim. Flee. Flee. And they fled.